So far, all the data we have worked with has come directly from NLTK. Let's explore how we can use our own data. So we'll import NLTK. And then we'll open our text document. So we're going to open the Declaration of Independence. Now this is a file I've prepared for you. You can find it in the resources for this lesson. You can also find it on GitHub. So once we know where the file is, we can read the file. And then we can take a look at it. So here we have our untokenized text, which is the Declaration of Independence. So let's tokenize it. It's very similar to when we were tokenizing the text phrases we've been using in the past. And you can see now that it's tokenized, we can do things like frequency distributions on our own text that we've brought in from external sources. So from this point, we can go on and do a lot of the things we've been doing with text that we've been pulling right out of NLTK.